Have you ever wondered how horses have the ability to sleep standing up? Horses have a stay apparatus in their front legs and their hind legs, which both work a little bit differently. In this video, I'm going to explain how horses can lock their knees in order to sleep while standing up. The muscles that I'm highlighting in this clip are the tensor fascia lata and the quadriceps. When these muscles contract, they actually pull the patella, which is the knee bone, up over the edge of the femur and lock it into place. I'll show you this in the next clip, which is from an equine dissection. Here you can see how the leg would bend normally. However, when we push the patella upwards, which would naturally happen when the horse contracts their quadriceps, the leg is no longer able to bend at all. Even if a human puts their whole body weight into pushing, the leg will stay rigid. And this is what allows the hindquarters of the horse to rest without exerting any muscular effort.